The opioid crisis is hitting the tri-state hard. In Warren County, nearly 60 people died of overdoses in 2016. That rose 38% from the previous year. Warren County commissioners have created a new blueprint to save more lives. And in fact, I'm joined now by one of the commissioners, Shannon Jones. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks for
I hold
having
my
me.
hand here. This is granted the draft version, but this is the blueprint that you guys are going to roll out tomorrow in Warren County. What did it take to get this blueprint together, and how is it any different than other strategies in, say, other counties?
Yeah, so one of the things that we recognize in Warren County, that there's a lot of people working really hard on this issue, and they feel really passionately about it. But what we haven't been able to do is actually move the trends in the other direction, and so that's something that we wanted to figure out why. So we contracted with the Addiction Policy Forum. They're the experts to come and walk us through a mapping exercise to see where there are gaps and, most importantly, where there might be opportunities for us to work together to really make a difference.
When you look at the impact from the opioid crisis and, parents that end up going to jail, and then you have children that get put into the foster care system, and you have treatment programs, there are so many different components to this. Was this your chance to really get everything in this blueprint to try to solve the problem? Exactly.
So it's giving us a map. So as Warren County leaders and people who are concerned about the community, it's telling us here's where your strengths are, here's where maybe your weaknesses are, and here are the opportunities that if we work together, not in our individual silos, but if we kind of break down those silos and put forward a new evidence-based project that we can really make a significant different.
Is there anything in here that you would like to highlight when we talk about breaking that cycle and keeping them in treatment programs and not necessarily behind bars?
Right. So the Addiction Policy Forum has offered up 21 recommendations for Warren County. So our work's cut out for us. But they've identified 3 areas where they say we're really poised to make a difference and have massive impact. One of those areas is medication-assisted treatment. We need more access to all 3 of the FDA-approved treatment protocols. They've also identified the children who are impacted by parents who are suffering from abuse. So we know that's an area that we can focus on. But we also need to focus on diversion in our criminal justice system. We're about to build a $50 million new jail in Warren County. And so if we're going to invest those taxpayer dollars, how can we do it in a way that for those who want help, who need help, can get the kind of help they need so it's not a revolving door in our jail?
And you don't end up with an overcrowded jail system again.
That's right.
Trying to fix the problem, that way that doesn't happen again.
Absolutely. Because the people who are in jail, they're coming out of jail.
Right.
They're in there for a few months out of the year. They're not there forever. And so they're coming back in the community. We need to address that.
Commissioner Jones, thank you so much.
Thanks for having me.
And of course, if you'd like more information, the summit is tomorrow from 6:30 to 8 p.m. at the Warren County Career Center in Lebanon. Thank you again.
Thank you.